Hello and welcome. I've got this vehicle here to show you. Chausson 630 Etape Line, costs around 67,000 euros in this format. It's on an automatic gearbox and it's 7 meters in length. What this has got is a very large a dining room, living area, salon, whatever it's called, up front here. It's got 2 single beds in the roof which will drop down when needed, but thanks to them we've got this enormous amount of space in here. There's also the possibility of making an extra bed below if you want to sleep 4 or you want a double bed inside as well. It also comes with storage, as you can see there, but there's stacks of storage in the back and we'll get to that. Here's the kitchen block, 2 burners and a sink. Nothing special about that, and obviously you've got storage under the sink as well. Here's the fat fridge, and here is the fat freezer, but the clever bit, the really superb bit, is here at the back. We've got the toilet, the sink, and in here we've got the shower. Right, so okay, separate, nothing so far all that clever, but look at this here. This is the wardrobe, and in the wardrobe there's so much space. Got the hanging bar up there. We've got the drawers here. We can keep stuff behind this, open these elastics up and put that whatever it is behind there. I think this is quite outstanding for those who are seeking something more permanent, shall we say. Now below we can find there is also access to the garage, and if we don't want to or see people in there whilst we're in here, we can close the door thanks to this very clever sliding door. So very efficient use of space for those who don't mind having their bed up there. But there's also this thing here. Look how much space there is here under the bed. There's lots of space. Oh, there's some people trying to get in here. So I'm now going to move out. They could have listened to what I had to say though. Right, so coming around here, we'll find we've got this enormous garage, which we saw by poking the camera through there earlier, but it's enormous here, but it's even more enormous on the other side. Look at this. Oh, can I open it? Is it open? Let's try. Oh, sorry, it's not open. It is open, but look at that. You have up to the roof. I think a kayak would go in there. If you've got anything long, skis might go in there. You can put these boards down or they can go up as you want. I think this is really superb use of space. Now there's another vehicle which I'm now going to show you. It's almost exactly the same, only that in this case it's got a double bed above, as you can see there. So at the back just the same, but there you've got the double bed. You can of course make a double bed below as well. So comes currently with an Arctic packet. I don't know what's in the Arctic packet. Some blinds, I think, to put on the windows. It needs to be pointed out that a vehicle like this isn't actually really made for the Arctic. I need to point that one out. I've been a bit enthusiastic about the whole thing, but you've got to be realistic. Anyway, okay, so now there's a bit of a crowd outside it since I went in, so I shall come round here to the front. I've been rather optimistic about this one, but I'm usually a bit more pessimistic about the videos I do, but I think that I really like the way that's laid out. I don't think it would suit me because I like to have my bed fixed, but that's just me. For somebody who doesn't bother them not having the bed fixed, then it's not going to be a problem at all. Anyway, good. So thanks very much for watching. I upload every day at 21:15, and all the best from me in Stuttgart.